Hey guys, back in another video. What's up? Hey guys, back in another video. And I just made this thumbnail because I'm making thumbnails with only 3D Paint 3D, but then I messed up on my video, accidentally exited it. So this is the second, and we're gonna keep this thumbnail that doesn't decide to let me put one extra. Oh. Of course, that wasn't on text. I am sick of Paint 3D. Hunter 26. Sorry. I hate this app. I don't recommend Paint 3D for any of you. It's so bad. It's so bad. For any of you starters that don't have Photoshop or something, trying to make a thumbnail, don't use Paint 3D. It's a waste. It's a waste. See, that's a good thumbnail. Good thumbnail. Just gotta change the view. Or gotta crop the view. Gotta crop the view. Let's make the... Okay, so this is good, and I'm gonna make here, go to here. Alright guys, I'm gonna make a dead body, and it's gonna be black. Cause I killed my friend in here, and he was black. Well, it's not really a real video. If you want to go check out the video that I might be in on his channel, and you can do that, of me killing him. He wasn't even black on there though. I'm just making a thumbnail for him maybe. If he wants to accept it, I'll send him it. Shh! Jeez, I'm sorry, guys. When did the simple things get so complicated? When did our future start feeling so far? When did our lives decide to turn out like they did? We're getting smarter, the farther and farther we go. When did our future start feeling so What? You messed up my record? What did you say then? No, you didn't. I'm recording. And what did you really say? Gross. Nope, McDonald's is doo-doo. McDonald's, if you're watching this, that's a fact. Actually, McDonald's, if you're watching this, you're not doo-doo, but you kind of are since you took away the Travis Scott meal. That's the only thing I liked. It's not the same, though. Because it's way more money. Not even just because of that, it's just not the same. There we go, that's my thumbnail. Hold up. Let's crop this thing again. I want to make it bigger.